Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. This is a really fun one, much easier for children to do, I found, than adults. But today's tip is to practice your form, your practice, as though you have superpowers. Maybe I said that plural, but it could just be one. But imagining that when you do this, that there's an impenetrable shield that you create, which sort of works with the idea of Pengjin anyway, right? When we do this, imagine that you have, an alien punch from some superhero, right? When you do this and fix your gaze on this opponent, perhaps imagine that, you have power beams coming out of your eyes or whatever, right? The idea is to really have fun with it and develop a sense of inspiration for yourself and perhaps one that you can share with others. And then just allow yourself to have some fun with it. This stuff isn't true, although there might be some superpowers available to you in the study of Tai Chi Chuan. The idea here is to really just kind of revel in our inspiration and our ability to be inspired by our stories and share those stories. And then in this case, we're really just kind of feeling it. So I'm just kind of visualizing, right, that, there's sparks coming out of my hands and, telekinesis happening when I, turn to face somebody. So enjoy that and feel free to make fun of me in the comments, but I'm a grown up and I'm young enough to handle it. All right, enjoy. Love.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.